Welcome to Inside Fairy Tale English, where stories become your English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Fairy Tale English.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
How are you feeling today? I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Yes, today is a special day. We have a beautiful story for you.
A story about kindness. A story about helping others.
And a story about magic. Small magic, but very special magic.
Have you ever helped someone? Maybe a friend? Maybe your family?
When you help someone, how do you feel?
I feel happy. I feel warm inside.
Me too. Helping others makes us feel good.
You know, yesterday I helped my neighbor. She was carrying heavy bags.
Oh, that's wonderful. What happened?
I carried her bags to her door. She smiled and said thank you.
And you felt happy, right?
Yes, so happy. It was a small thing, but it felt big.
That's the magic of kindness. Small actions, big feelings.
Today's story is called The Elves and the Shoemaker.
Elves. Do you know elves?
Elves are very small people, like tiny, tiny people. They're magical.
And a shoemaker is a person who makes shoes.
So, elves and a shoemaker. What happens when they meet?
That's our story today. Are you ready?
Get comfortable. Maybe get some tea or coffee.
Close your eyes and imagine the story with us.
Let's begin our magical journey together. Once upon a time, there was a shoemaker.
He was a good man. He worked very hard.
Every day he made shoes, beautiful shoes.
But he was very poor. He didn't have much money.
One night he looked at his leather. Leather is the material for shoes.
He only had enough leather for one pair of shoes, just one pair.
He was sad. He thought, what will I do tomorrow?
His hands were tired. His eyes were tired. But his heart was still kind.
He said to himself, tomorrow is another day. I will try my best.
But he cut the leather carefully. He prepared everything.
He looked at the leather pieces on the table. He touched them gently.
Then he said goodnight to his little workshop.
Then he went to bed. He was very tired.
The next morning, something amazing happened.
He came to his workshop, and guess what he saw?
A pair of shoes. Beautiful, perfect shoes.
But wait, he didn't make them. Who made these shoes?
He was so surprised. He looked at the shoes carefully.
The shoes were perfect. Every stitch was perfect.
He held the shoes in his hands. He couldn't believe it.
The leather was smooth. The stitches were tiny and beautiful.
A customer came to his shop that day.
The customer said, "Ooh, these shoes are beautiful. How much are they?"
The shoemaker sold the shoes. He got good money.
Now he could buy leather for 2 pairs of shoes.
He was so happy. He thanked God for this blessing.
That night, he cut the leather again. He prepared 2 pairs.
He said, I hope the magic happens again.
Then he went to sleep. He was curious, very curious.
The next morning, guess what?
2 pairs of beautiful shoes, perfect shoes, ready on his table.
This is magic, real magic.
This happened again and again. Every night he cut the leather.
Every morning, beautiful shoes were ready.
The shoemaker became successful. He wasn't poor anymore.
But he still didn't know who was helping him.
One night, he said to his wife, "Let's stay awake. Let's watch."
His wife said, Yes, good idea. I want to know who's helping us.
So that night, they hid. They waited quietly.
They hid behind a curtain. Very quiet, very still.
At midnight, something magical happened.
2 little elves came into the workshop.
They were so small, maybe this tall, and they wore old, torn clothes.
Their clothes had holes. They looked cold and poor.
But their faces were happy. Their eyes were bright.
The elves started working. They worked so fast.
Their little hands moved quickly. Stitch, stitch, stitch.
They sang while they worked. They were happy.
The shoemaker and his wife watched quietly. They didn't move.
Soon, beautiful shoes were ready. Then the elves disappeared.
Poof, they were gone, like magic.
The shoemaker and his wife were amazed.
The wife said, "Those little elves helped us so much."
The shoemaker said, "Yes, they work so hard, but look at their clothes."
The elves' clothes were old and torn. They looked cold.
The wife had an idea. She said, "Let's make clothes for them."
"Yes," said the shoemaker, "let's make little shoes too."
They gave us so much. Now we can give back.
So they worked with love. The wife made little shirts and pants.
The shoemaker made tiny, tiny shoes.
They used the softest fabric, the best materials.
They made everything with so much care, so much love.
Every stitch was made with gratitude, every button sewn with thanks.
That night, they put the clothes on the table. No leather, just the gifts.
Then they hid again. They waited.
At midnight, something magical happened.
The elves came into the workshop.
The elves saw the clothes. They were so surprised.
Their eyes grew big. Their mouths opened wide.
They were so happy. They laughed and danced.
They put on the new clothes. Everything fit perfectly.
The little shirts, the little pants, the tiny shoes.
The elves looked at each other and smiled.
The elves danced around the workshop. They sang a happy song.
They jumped and laughed. They were so joyful.
Then they left. They never came back.
But the shoemaker was successful now. He had everything he needed.
And he never forgot the little elves who helped him.
What a beautiful story.
Yes, it's about helping each other, about kindness.
And about saying thank you, about gratitude.
Now let's learn some expressions from our story.
These are useful expressions. You can use them every day.
Expression number 1. Once upon a time.
This is how we start fairy tales. Once upon a time.
It means a long time ago, in the past.
Once upon a time, there was a princess. Once upon a time, I visited Paris.
It sounds magical. It sounds like a story.
You can even use it for fun. Once upon a time, I ate too much pizza.
I like that. It makes everything sound special.
Expression number 2. What will I do?
We say this when we have a problem, when we're worried.
What will I do tomorrow? What will I do without you?
It shows you're thinking about the future. You're concerned.
What will I do if it rains? What will I do at the party?
Very useful expression.
I use this all the time. What will I do if I'm late? What will I do about dinner?
Me too. What will I do this weekend? What will I do with my free time?
Expression number 3. Guess what?
Oh, I love this one. Guess what?
We use this when we have exciting news, surprising news.
Guess what? I got a new job. Guess what? It's snowing.
It makes the listener curious. They want to know more.
Guess what I saw today? Guess what happened?
It's perfect for sharing good news. Guess what? I passed my exam.
Guess what? We're going on vacation.
Expression number 4. Again and again.
This means many times, repeatedly.
I tried again and again. She called me again and again.
It shows repetition. Something happens many times.
The elves came again and again. I practice English again and again.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
I watch my favorite movie again and again. I listen to this song again and again.
It never gets boring when you love something.
Expression number 5. Stay awake.
This means don't sleep. Keep your eyes open.
I stayed awake all night. Can you stay awake until midnight?
Sometimes it's hard to stay awake.
I drink coffee to stay awake sometimes. Stay awake. The movie is not finished.
When I study, I try to stay awake, but sometimes I'm so tired.
Me too. I need music to stay awake sometimes.
Expression number 6. So much.
We use this to show a large amount, a strong feeling.
Thank you so much. I love you so much.
They helped us so much. I learned so much today.
It makes your feelings stronger, more powerful.
I miss you so much. This is so much fun.
I appreciate you so much. You helped me so much.
Expression number 7. Never forget.
This is beautiful. It means always remember.
I will never forget you. Never forget this moment.
He never forgot the elves. I will never forget this day.
Some memories stay in our hearts forever.
I will never forget my first English teacher.
Never forget your dreams.
Never forget the people who helped you.
These are wonderful expressions. Try to use them.
Practice them every day. They will become natural.
Now let's talk about this story. Where does it come from?
This is a German fairy tale from Germany.
Yes, the brothers Grimm wrote this story. Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm.
They collected many fairy tales: Cinderella, Snow White, Rapunzel.
The brothers Grimm lived about 200 years ago.
They traveled around Germany. They listened to people's stories.
Then they wrote the stories down. They saved these beautiful tales.
In the old days, people believed in elves, in small magical creatures.
Elves represented mystery, the unknown helpers in our lives.
Sometimes good things happen, and we don't know why.
Maybe someone helped us secretly, like the elves.
In old Europe, people left food for elves. A little milk, a little bread.
They believed elves brought good luck to kind people.
Now, let's talk about the lesson, the moral of this story.
What can we learn from this tale?
First lesson, kindness comes back to you.
The shoemaker was a good man. He worked hard. He was honest.
So, the elves helped him. Good people receive good things.
In life, when you're kind, kindness returns.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it comes back.
I believe this. When I help others, good things happen to me too.
Second lesson, always be grateful.
The shoemaker didn't forget the elves. He was thankful.
He made clothes for them. He showed his gratitude.
When someone helps you, say thank you. Show appreciation.
Gratitude is so important. It makes relationships strong.
In my life, I try to say thank you every day, to everyone.
Me too, even for small things. Thank you for listening. Thank you for smiling.
Third lesson, small acts of kindness matter.
The elves were small, but their help was big.
You don't need to do big things. Small help is wonderful too.
A smile, a kind word, holding the door for someone.
These small things make the world better.
Last week, someone smiled at me. It made my whole day better.
Yes, small kindness has big power.
Fourth lesson, work with joy.
The elves sang while they worked. They were happy.
When you work with a happy heart, work becomes fun.
Even difficult tasks become easier with a positive attitude.
Find joy in what you do. Every day.
I try to smile when I work. It really helps.
This story teaches us so much.
It's not just a fairy tale, it's a life lesson.
We can apply this to our English learning too.
How?
Well, when you study English, be like the elves.
Work with joy. Sing while you learn.
And be grateful for every small progress.
Yes, every new word you learn is important.
Every sentence you understand is a gift.
And help others too. Share what you know.
When you help someone learn, you learn more too.
That's beautiful. Learning together is magical.
Also, be patient. The shoemaker was patient.
He didn't give up when times were hard.
Learning takes time, but good things come to patient people.
Never give up on your English journey.
Wow, what a wonderful journey today.
I loved sharing this story with you.
Now, it's time for today's English line.
This is one special sentence from our story today.
One line to remember, one line to practice.
Today's English line is
Thank you so much.
simple but powerful. Thank you so much.
We say this to show gratitude, to show appreciation.
The shoemaker felt this way about the elves. Thank you so much.
You can use this every day.
When someone helps you, when someone gives you something.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for coming.
Practice saying this with feeling, with your heart. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Now, here's your little homework.
Don't worry, it's easy and fun.
Today, say thank you so much to someone.
Your friend, your family, a coworker.
Show your gratitude. Make someone smile.
And notice how you feel. Saying thank you makes us happy too.
Also, think about the elves. Think about helping others.
Can you help someone today? Even a small thing.
Hold a door. Share a smile. Say a kind word.
Be like the little elves. Spread kindness.
And remember, learning English is a journey.
Every day, you're making progress. Every day, you're growing.
Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself.
Celebrate small victories. Every new word counts.
You're doing amazing.
Really, just by being here, you're already winning.
Every minute you listen, you're improving. Your brain is learning.
Even when you don't notice, you're getting better.
We're so proud of you for being here today.
For listening, for learning, for trying.
You're doing amazing.
Keep going. Never give up.
And we'll be here with you every episode.
Sharing stories, sharing English, sharing joy.
Next time, we have another beautiful story for you.
Another adventure, another lesson.
Before we go, let's say our special line one more time.
Today's English line. Thank you so much.
Say it with us.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. You did great.
We hope you enjoyed today's magical story.
The Elves and the Shoemaker, a story of kindness and gratitude.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling.
Be kind to others. Be kind to yourself.
And remember, magic happens when we help each other.
Thank you for joining us today.
We're so happy to share this magical story with you.
See you next time on Inside Fairy Tale English.
Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye. Take care.